I was in the Bed Bath & Beyond in Springfield, and somebody gave me a $10 off, spend 30. So I walked past, and for $29.99, I got the Blue Diamond Enhanced Ceramic Non-Stick. I was looking at this at Walmart. I was like, oh, maybe we should give this a try. I was like, that looks good. I killed one of my other non-stick pans. I didn't kill it, still works, but it's got a stain on it. So we give this a try. Metal utensil safe, oven and broiler safe, high heat resistant, diamond reinforced for extreme use. No PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium. Never release toxic fumes. 12-inch fry pan. Ooh, let's see if it's inductive. Magnet. And here is the... Get a magnet. Oh, kind of sticks, not that good. I don't know. Have to Google it. Is it an inductive? 5 times harder coating, 10 times longer lasting. That means I'll be buried with this. $20. Can't beat it. Thank you, Bed Bath & Beyond.